with a profound sense of honor that I join you for this year's SometutuZA Festival. His Excellency the President is away from Ghana, attending the UN General Assembly. However, he considered this engagement so important that he instructed me to drop everything to be here with you today as his representative and deliver to you a short goodwill message. It's a courageous migration of the Some people from Keta to Akozumi more than 2 centuries ago. It is a testimony to the tenacity of ancestors who, in the face of adversity, had the courage to start again and build anew in a relentless search for dignity, peace, and prosperity. Today, as we gathered here, we honor not only that migration, but the vision, the courage, the determination, the collective purpose and discipline that brought you, like many here, on a historical journey to be part of a larger, more diverse but unified nation to which we all owe our highest allegiance. No matter which part of the country we come from or what our mother tongues are, we are Ghanaians first of all. And today, we are all starting another journey, one that is the same as the one we have been on in the struggle for development and the dignity and peace it brings. A reset agenda. This year's theme, the role of traditional festivals in cultural sustainability and economic transformation, reminds us that development is not only about roads and buildings, but also about culture, identity, and belonging. The people of this area have long been vital contributors to Ghana's material and cultural development. Let us focus on that for a moment. Your iconic kente cloth has drawn buyers from across West Africa, as has your music, your dance, your food, your pottery, your weaving, your dyeing, and other unique cultural expressions. Those sources must not only be sources of proud identity, but also drivers of commerce, livelihoods, and transformation. Your entrepreneurial and creative skills must be recognized as national assets that we must protect, celebrate, and promote and reward. The President's 24-hour economic program includes a component called Show 24. Show 24 that strengthens Ghana's creative economy, tourism, and cultural heritage. Show 24 will work with creative youth from this area and everywhere in Ghana to create roaring careers in art, music, film, design, and around cultural event management festivals, that is SometutuZA Festival that we're witnessing today, whilst also projecting and blending our rich heritage as a source of inclusive growth. With the right effort and support, perhaps SometutuZA can grow into an international tourism event, creating jobs in hospitality, fashion, logistics, and digital content. Of course, all cultural development is predicated on concrete material production. The other 7 sub-programs of the President Mahama's 24-hour economic program offers just that. Productive, inclusive, and resilient development pathways for our people in modern cooperative farming, agro-processing, and other manufacturing that we as citizens will build together based on infrastructure investments such as the Delta Economic Corridor. It is you, the people, and your productive and social organizations that will deliver this, backed by President Mahama's vision and government. But to deliver all this, His Excellency asks one thing, one important thing from the chiefs and people of Abuja. We need peace and we need unity. We need peace and we need unity. We need a new solidarity among our people, a new accountable and respectful relationship between chiefs and other citizens that allows us to realize Osafuju's vision of a united Africa. It is only this unity that will allow us all to put in the hard work that can transform our society and make us permanently prosperous. Let me once again commend the chiefs and people of Some traditional area for upholding your history, enriching Ghana's national fabric through SometutuZA Festival. May your traditions inspire unity, may your economy flourish, and may your contributions to Ghana's journey grow ever stronger. Thank you very much.